In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bank account in Zoho Books. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently navigating through Zoho Books and have your bank accounts all set up and ready to use within just a few minutes. First, let's get started by signing in to Zoho Books. To do this, head over to the Zoho Books website and locate the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and options Zoho Books offers. Once you click on Sign In, you'll then be prompted to log in using Google. This is a convenient way to access your Zoho Books account if you've linked it with your Google credentials. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to choose your Google account. Select the account associated with your Zoho Books access. Be aware that this step might take a little while depending on your internet speed, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. Patience is key here. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Banking tab in Zoho Books. This is where all your bank accounts and financial transactions will be managed. Now you'll notice an option that says Connect Bank Credit Card. Click on this option. It's designed to help you seamlessly integrate your bank accounts and keep track of your finances in one central location. In the following step, you'll be asked to choose your specific bank. Zoho Books provides a convenient list of banks for you to select from, or alternatively, you can connect an online bank account. With this extensive list, the chances are high that your bank will be included, ensuring a smooth and straightforward connection process. Once you've selected your bank, it's time to connect using your login details. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials securely. This process not only establishes a connection, but also syncs your bank details with Zoho Books, enabling real-time updates and automatic transaction imports. If you prefer or need to add bank accounts manually for any reason, Zoho Books provides an option for that as well. Simply choose the manual entry option and follow the on-screen instructions to input your bank account details manually. This can be particularly useful if your bank isn't listed or if you're integrating accounts from smaller financial institutions. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and inputs, you've successfully created a bank account in Zoho Books. This enables you to streamline your financial tracking and accounting processes, saving you time and effort in the long run. Thank you for following along with this guide, and be sure to explore more features in Zoho Books to make the most out of your financial management.